Happy birthday to you.
Michael Lobo's birthday. We always as friends like to be around him. He never says no to anyone. He never says you can be the smallest person or the biggest person. He is always there to reach you. And on this special day, as Sean said, as Frankie said, I think we should all wish him good health, a good life, and lots of great achievements. We want to see him in the tallest stage in our state in Goa. And that's why we are all here to support you, and we will be always there with you. Thank you.
I think we celebrate Michael Lobo's 50th birthday, and I'm going to say that he's not only a leader that we all know, but one thing that I appreciate, and I think all of you all may know and acknowledge, is his extraordinary level of patience. Over a period of time, to me, 1 term, 2 term, 3 terms, the people, once you are in power continuously, they tend to become arrogant, aggressive, but not him.
Yes.
And now we see this crowd over here. Like I've seen him in the last 15 years. Even people who are negative, talking against him on stages, podiums, on social media. But he has a way to even do their work. He doesn't care whether you're with me or not with me. And even those people today are hand in hand with him. So that is the level, that is his heart. And that is how a true human being has to be. We say many things, that we have to be good, we have to do this, we go to mass, we go to temples, we go to mosque and pray. But the true thing is what you're in yourself, what you do to others, and you show it. Because you may go to church, go everywhere, but you're not good in your heart. But we see this, we see his heart. No one who goes to him for help has come empty-handed. I think all of you all might agree.
Yes.
Okay, so this is his level, this is his dedication and his vision. To me, Poya, any MLA I have not seen who goes and stands on the road and gets work done. Everyone gets scared to do work. Work meaning extraordinary work. When you know there is something happening, you need to extend that. Nobody has guts to stand and move it. But no, he's doing it for us. He's doing it so that accidents don't happen. He's doing it that tomorrow maybe you, your friends, your relatives, or your children may not meet with an accident. But he's the first person I've seen who stands on the ground and he does it. This is his heart. This is his capacity. And on this day, I wish him all the very best. It is just the beginning. This is just a start. 50 is a milestone. There are a lot of people who are here, believe in you, and we know that in future we will go to do great things for our constituency and for all the people of Goa. Thank you.
2 इनिंग्स असतात. पहिले इनिंगान बरी बायल मेळची, बरी भुरगीं ह्या गोंयाक दिवचे, आनी आपणे हे जितले पळय आमचे सारके ताचे खातीर आयल्यात तांचे खातीर काम करचें. हें ताणें पयल्या 50 वर्सां केलें. फुडली 50 वर्सां 2 इनिंग्स, ह्या 50 आनी दुसरें 100. फुडली 50 वर्सां फक्त पयली बायलेचें आयकुचें. बरो सन इन लॉ हाडचो, बरी डॉटर इन लॉ हाडची. तुका हाडपाचें काय हाडपाचें तें हांव उलयना रे, तांचेर. ओके. आनी जशी तुजी 2 जाणां भुरगीं आसात तशी तांकां तसोच मोग दिवचो. ह्या दिसा तुवें जशें तुज्या फॅमिलीक मोग दिलो तसोच आमकां सगळ्यांक. आनी आणि म्हणून आम्ही आज सगळे
अरे
मे यू हॅव द बेस्ट ऑफ लाईफ. बाकीचे सगळे सोलार मारले.
Remind him, Michael, it's your 50th birthday.
This is a politician talking.
From any angle, he looks 50. He's
No.
always.
Today is a very, very special day in my life, and देवाक पयली आर्गान दिता. म्हाका 50 that is golden years म्हाका दवरलो म्हणून. मदेकात खूप ups and downs येयल्यो. Once I thought I was going away from this world. But I came back. I think I came back because I had to do a lot of good work for the people of Goa. I want to thank Delilah Lobo, my wife, and Daniel, Malaika, and all of you, the most wonderful people in my life, are over here. आयज म्हाजो बर्थडे तुम्ही सेलिब्रेट करूंक येयल्या. तुमकां सगल्यांक हिंगासर येयल्या तितल्यांकू आनी जे कोण पावोंक ना तेंकां पासून कावजान सान देव बरें करूं म्हणटा की तुम्ही म्हाज्या वांगडा रावल्यात इन ऑल द ऑड्स. आय रिमेंबर रायट फ्रॉम जिल्हा पंचायत इलेक्शन्स टिल टुडे तुम्ही म्हाज्या वांगडा रावल्या आनी म्हाका तेंको दिला. यू ऑल हॅड फेथ इन मी that I will do something for Parra village, for Saligao constituency then when I was Zilla member, Kalangut constituency, and तुम्ही माझ्या वांगडा चल्ल्यात. You all walked with me, and in these last 15 years we have brought a little change in people's lives in the constituency as on development front. खूपशे जाणांक खंयचे वाटेनसून तरी आमचो हेल्प वेगवेगळे वाटेनसून मेवल्लो आहा. हितून म्हाका आयज ऑन माय 50th बर्थडे खोशी भोगता की दॅट वी टच्ड पीपल लाइव्स इन डिफरंट वेज. सो आय प्रे टू गॉड and I thank all of you who are standing over here before me for giving me help, walking with me. Sometimes tapla astala, especially ward members, आमचे कोण खास मनीस तेंचेर तापला आसतलो पण मनानसून केन्ना तापोंक ना. काम जावचें म्हणून तापला आनी कोणाचें काम. तुम्ही वायट धरूंक पारना कोणेच. आय रियली थँक everyone who are present over here, my friends, and who are not present also, because you all were part of this journey throughout. And especially Delilah, she has always stood by me with all those decisions which I took in my life. Where we started business went bad also for 2, 3, 4 years. Patience, she had lot of ups and downs, lot of problems, obstacles, but I always told her that good days will come and you have to think positive and we will be successful. And today we are successful with God's grace, blessings, आणि तुमचे सगळ्यांचे बेसांवानी आयज आमी सक्सेसफूल जाल्ले आहा. आनी हो सक्सेस आमी आमचेच कडेन दवरया नाका. सक्सेस सगळ्या कडेन आमी वाटया आनी दुसऱ्याय कडेन दुसरे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी जे आमचे बरे मागपी आहा, आमचे फ्रेंड्स आहा, ते आमकां सोदता की आमचे वाटेन बरे वस्तू जावच्यो, उजवाड येवचो. सो डेफिनेटली आमचो हेल्प सगळे कडेन आसतलो, सगळे आमचे फ्रेंडांक आसतलो, सगळे आमचे बरे मोगप्यांक आसतलो आनी गोंयकारांक आसतलो. I once again thank everyone, each and everyone, नांवां घेनासतना, and especially our very old friend Nandan, who's come specially over here today. He's a great
I
guy.
have only one thing to talk before you end your speech. Your
A great
speech
guy.
should end with a hug for the wife.
a great guy who has showed me different paths of in my life. Like he always guided me politically and also in business. I really thank him for coming over here and all my other close friends who are over here. Thanks a lot, and especially to Girish and तेजी आखी टीम. From the beginning, जिल्हा पंचायतींसून आसतना गिरीश बरयतालो, एक लेख बरयतालो, केन्ना केन्ना आमचे ऑपोजिट बसून खूब बरयल्ले आहा. ऑपोजिट म्हणजे कितें, जर तर आमी खंय रॉंग गेल्या, आमची दिशा रॉंग गेल्या जाल्यार तेणी बरयला आनी आमकां परतून रोडार यो म्हणून तेणे दिशा दाखयल्या. तेकाय हांव देव बरें करूं म्हणटा आनी तेजे आख्खे टीमीक, ऑल हीज टीम, because they are the fourth pillar of this democratic country, amchi, of the media, the press and electronic media. They have always stood by me and corrected me if I was going wrong anytime. I thank them also and everyone who are present over here. With a big hug to my wife.
Next 2 years are hard.
Thank you.
फोटो जाय मध्ये, फोटो
Yes.
जाय.
Viva.
बरो मोगान धर म्हणा.
Morgan.
Yes.
Era cake cut करून नंतर.
Subscribe to Prime TV and follow all our social networking sites.